Hi everyone, I'm Carol from Late and today I'm going to show you one of our newest and most requested features. How to automatically add recommended music to your TikTok carousels or photos when scheduling them through Late. If you are creating content for TikTok, you already know how important music is. It can boost your reach, help you connect with trends, and make your post feel more authentic. And now with Late, you don't have to worry about choosing or uploading music manually. You can let TikTok's algorithm do the work for you, automatically adding the best track for your photo or carousel. Let's see how it works step by step. We will start right from the Late dashboard. Step 1 is connect your account. We go to the connections section on the left panel. And to use this feature, you will need to make sure your TikTok account is connected to Late. If it's not connected yet, just click Add Connection, select TikTok and follow the steps on the screen. You will be redirected to TikTok for authorization. Then back to Late once it's done. It only takes a few seconds, and once you are connected, you will see TikTok listed in your active connections. Now we're ready to create our post. Let's head to the post section and click Create Post. Here we will upload our images, and remember, this feature is designed specifically for image carousels on TikTok, not for videos. You can add between 1 and 35 images, just like you would when creating a carousel directly in TikTok. And once your images are uploaded, add your caption, hashtags, or any text you want to accompany your post. Step 3 is select TikTok and enable music. You have to scroll down to the platform selection area and choose TikTok. Once TikTok is selected, you will notice a new option appear. It's called Add Recommended Music. In this section is where the magic happens. You have to click on it and activate it, and Late will automatically attach the recommended trending sound that TikTok suggests for your carousel. TikTok's algorithm analyzes your content and selects a track that matches the current trends, so your posts feel fresh and more likely to perform well on the platform. And yes, this feature also works via API. If you're automating your publishing process or using CSV imports, just include the code in your request. You can find it in the TikTok Direct posting docs. Below the code, you will see some notes. Then you will find how to add music. As we can see, is an optional boolean for photo post only. When true, TikTok will automatically add recommended music to your photo or carousel. And that's it. Late will take care of the rest, attaching the recommended audio to your carousel automatically. No need to browse sounds or edit in TikTok afterwards. Everything is done for you. Once you have finished setting up your post, you can preview how your carousel will look and double check that everything is correct. Then click Publish if you want to post it right away or schedule it for later. When the scheduled times arrive, your post will be automatically published on TikTok, complete with the recommended background music already added. You can even click on the preview link to open the live post directly in TikTok, and you will see that the track has been applied seamlessly. No manual steps, no extra apps, no exporting, just a fully automated process. And that's it with Late's recommended music. For TikTok carousels, you can now upload and schedule image carousels directly for TikTok, automatically include trending recommended sounds, and do it all in one place. No manual editing required. This feature is available right now in the Late dashboard and also via API for developers. It's a simple but powerful way to make your TikTok post more engaging, save time, and stay in sync with the latest music trends. Try it out the next time you schedule your TikTok carousel and see how much easier and faster it makes your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!